In the race for energy-efficient technologies, electric motor manufacturing faces one bottleneck in the limitation of magnet wire soldering and welding processes. These processes can be time-consuming, costly, and difficult. Break free from limitations. Introducing TE Connectivity's Solderless motor solutions, a faster, cost-effective alternative transforming the landscape of electric motor manufacturing. Don't let outdated manufacturing processes stand in your way. Engineers seek groundbreaking solutions for electric motor manufacturing in pursuit of efficiency. TE Connectivity offers a variety of magnet wire solutions to replace traditional welding and soldering steps. These products come in countless shapes and sizes to support almost any copper or aluminum magnet wire system. Ready to elevate your heat pump compressor game? Dive deeper into the world of solderless solutions with our exclusive case study. Unlock your production potential with TE Connectivity. Download the heat pump case study now to learn more.